Hello friends, welcome to my channel SS Study Tech. Today I am going to discuss on the screencast tool for Android, which is a Zing. So Zing is an open source, so we can download it from Google, and which is very useful and handy tool during defect reporting and sharing with the team members. And we can share the screencast across the team by just sharing a link instead of sharing a screenshot or a screencast. Let's get started. Let me open my Chrome and search for Zing. So this is a official site, which is the techsmith.com for Zing tool. Just click on this link. So which is a free source you can download. This is a site of Techsmith capture, and just click on free download, and it will ask for the flavor like Windows or iOS. We need to select based on our requirement. So I'm selecting Windows. Click on this exe file once it's download complete, and yep, this is an license agreement for Techsmith Zing. Just click on yes and I accept. Continue. Successfully installed. And if we need to sign up or sign into this account, if you are new to this tool, please do sign up. And if you already created your account, just click on sign in. I already have an account, just I'm clicking on sign in. So we can sign in with different accounts, like let me log in with my account. So I'm successfully logged into application. So let me close this Chrome. Yep. So this is an application interface of Zing. So we can directly go and capture, and we have a give feedback button, and we have a settings button. We'll see a settings buttons now, and we have some about information, preferences, sign out, and exit Techsmith capture. So we'll see preferences. So in preferences we have some general settings. So keep Techsmith capture running in the background, and we can enable disable this if we need application to run background. And we can click on run capture when Windows starts, and this is the only few instructions which is given by Techsmith. So let's click on OK, and let's do a quick check on this one. I will do a screencast of my mobile phone. And if you are not familiar with the screencasting tool, you can refer to my previous video on Mobizen, how we can screencast Android device into a PC. Yep. So how we can capture screens for mobile, just click on capture button. So we will get this option, and it is a very automatic tool. When we capture on any screen, it will automatically adjust, or it will capture the entire screen. Like if you see, I just mouse over on to my Mobizen, and it will capture my entire mobile screen without cropping. Just click on, just click, and it will capture a screen. And you can add more information, like if you click on the capture an image, we can capture. And like we can add some colors, like we can select some colors, and we can add some arrows, arrow, and we can say we can add some instructions, like we can add some shapes, the screenshot, and we can add some text. We can highlight something. Yeah, this is how we can take screen capture. Just we need to click on upload screencast. So as soon as we click on upload screencast, this file will be uploaded into a Zing, and that will create a link URL. So this is the URL, which is a screencast. So this is very handy because we no need to send the media files over any media like Outlook, email or Gmail. Just we need to pass this URL, and whoever wants to see this screen capture video or capture screencast, they just copy this URL and just go to any browser and just paste this URL. You can see the screen capture what the other team members shared. So this is how they can see. And now let's see for screen video. I'll close this. I will start a video now. So we need to capture the section. Just click on, and we need to click on now this capture a video. Click on capture video, and it will start recording. And let's do some operation. Yeah, you can enable disable this handycam, and we have this start button. On a count of 3 it will start recording the video. And the best feature is the section which I have captured in the mobile, that will record only that space, and it will not record the other space. Like I'm onto a desktop now, that will not recording by this Techsmith. So let's do a small quick check. So I just captured some video. Let me stop this. We can play the video as soon as we start recording the video. And the best feature is the section which I have captured in the mobile, that will record only that space, and it will not record the other space. Screencast. So this will upload the entire video to my account information, and from there it will generate a URL, and I can share that URL to any of my team member, or in while reporting a defect we can just add this URL to replicate the steps, or for referring the how we can walk through the information, what are the steps we involved to recreate any issue. Just click on OK, and again go to browser and just need paste this URL, and we can get this entire video here. So just we go and play this video, start recording the video. And the best feature is the section which I have so this is how we can captured use in the mobile, that will record only that space, and it will not record the other space. Like I'm onto a desktop now, that will not recording by this Techsmith. Most of the IT industry. So let's do a small quick check. Transfer the bulk files over email, because email does not support more than I just capture some video. Like let me stop this. MB, but using Zing you can capture a video of more than 10 minutes, and you can share the URL and to other team members, so that they can open this URL and they can refer the video or screenshot what we shared. Thanks for watching. Please do share your comments, questions in the comment section. Please do subscribe to my channel for more videos on testing.